Remember when the world was facing a pandemic and we were forced to stay at home? We can't go anywhere, even just to buy goods. Of course, it's difficult, especially when we want to buy items that need to be tried on first, such as clothes, shoes, and many others. Moreover, online shopping can't meet our needs regarding these. Many people purchase the incorrect model or size because they're misguided since they can't try it beforehand. This must change with the arrival of the new project MetaMallVerse by using blockchain, Metaverse, AR, and VR technology. As an introduction, the MetaMallVerse MEMV is a digital marketplace where individuals and companies may create, own, and sell products on the BSC blockchain using credit card or crypto like the MEMV token, the platform's native utility token. The service aspires to provide a metaverse in which brand and shop owners may independently build and stock virtual environments with physical goods. Non-fungible tokens (NFTs) will be used in MEMV to establish and ensure copyright ownership and unique immutable identity for in-metaverse products, and voxel technology will be used to enable users and brands to create, play, share, collect, and trade without centralized control. Users' contribution to the site will be rewarded with MEMV token. Talking about the MEMV token, MEMV created its token on the Binance Smart Chain to make it scalable and accessible to investors of all sizes. Their initial coin offering was open to the public with no whitelist, presale, or KYC restrictions because they prioritize inclusiveness, decentralization, and efficiency. The MetaMallVerse ecosystem will employ the MEMV token for NFT marketplace transactions, asset payments, and inverse purchases. MEMV will be integrated into Binance ecosystem. MetaMallVerse token will commence the ICO fairly on 21 December 2022. No private sale or whitelist sale. The website will sell MEMV tokens to interested parties. For you who are curious with the tokenomics, you can see it here. As you can see, the total supply is 1 billion MEMV, which will be divided as follows. There's 60% allocated for the token sale program. The token sale will be divided into 4 rounds. 100 million for the first round, 150 million for the second round, 150 million for the third round, and 200 million for the fourth round, with special price 5 cents for the first round. Those who participate in the first round will receive a 20% bonus, 10% bonus for second round, and 5% bonus for third round. Meanwhile, there's no bonus for the fourth round and so on. As you can see, the funds that were successfully gathered will be used for these necessities. Well, that's all for MetaMallVerse. If you have questions regarding this project, please don't be hesitant to put it on the comment section. I'll provide all the link needed on the description so you can learn further. Always remember that this is not a financial advice and always do your own research before investing. I'll see you guys in the next video.